Namaste, this is Dr. Suresh Vannapuri here. Today we are going to talk about the very interesting subject of three pillars. According to Ayurveda, those who know Ayurvedic knowledge, there are three pillars. They're called as Trayopastambha, which is basically the food, sleep and Brahmacharya. Ahara, Nidra and Brahmacharya. And the Brahmacharya, they have different controversial theories for that, and I would like to put it in a simple way. The Brahmacharya is the connecting the individual consciousness to the universal consciousness. As simple as that. That means winning your own mind and connecting yourself to the universal consciousness. That is Brahmacharya in a microscopic manner, as we think. So let's see the connecting. Let's connect these three: food, the food, sleep, and the connecting to the consciousness. How does these three work together? In which way? Food is one thing. We all know that it's the closest to the human physiology, and food. We are the food, and we are the food, and the food what we consume prepares our physiology. Right? We are nothing but the food. I always say that we are walking food. So we are taking food, only we have worked with the food, we accumulated the food, and we have become a structurally big and mentally expansive, and all the faculties in the physical and the mental faculties grow with the food. So food is a nutritional aspect here, and food to the mind, food to the body, food to the mental faculty. These are the structural and physical structure and non-physical structures, that is mind. They all work over with the food, and we have seen practically the food what it does. Basically, it's to relieve your hunger, but that's not only the thing. Nowadays the people are under severe pressure and severe stress. They're just taking the food at any extent. That is the biggest problem in European countries, having the food at the maximum level. That could be one of the main reasons for this is the lack of sleep, connecting to the sleep. Lack of sleep, which increases the limbic system functions in the brain, which goes to the neuroscientific way. And the lack of sleep creates the habit of taking in an excessive manner. So this conversion of food, which is necessary for the acid nutrition, become toxic when it's in excess format. In Ayurveda, we call it as Ati Yoga, Mithya Yoga, and Ayoga. Ati Yoga is excessive, and Ayoga is not taking food at all, and Mithya Yoga, that is misusing and taking the food in an abnormal way, and which is not relevant to your physiological needs. That is one thing. When it comes to the sleep, we connected already this lack of sleep giving rise to the craving of the food. This is one of the reasons, not one reason. There's a lot of reasons are there where the food is taken in abnormal. That is one of the main reasons is the hyperactivity of the limbic system, which makes us to eat more and more food, which is not necessary for our physiology. Then that's one. So this third point, I try to connect with the Brahmacharya. Here, the consciousness, when you are not connected to your consciousness, you are having the issues with the food and the sleep. Right? This is a very important point. So when we connect to this consciousness, we connect to the consciousness during the sleep. And we don't connect to the consciousness while eating food. This is very, very important. We connect to the consciousness during the sleep, and we connect to the consciousness during pranayama and yogasanas. But we don't connect to the consciousness because we are not eating food consciously. We are eating food accidentally, and we are sleeping accidentally, and we are living accidentally. So all the three things, if you connect together, we are not living consciously, but we are living accidentally. That's why these three pillars has given enormous projection in Ayurveda. These three stands as a mechanism of bringing the mental and physical activities in a uniform way, which connects directly to the universal consciousness and understanding the phenomena of the internally consciousness which is enhanced by practicing these three pillars which is essential for the human survival. Thank you very much.